Family, what if I told you you could make this beautiful fufu that looks like plantain fufu out of potatoes? Yes. So grab your whole potatoes, wash it clean, yes, and then soak it in salty water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've done that, quarter it, as you can tell here, transfer it to your blender, and then add enough water just when it's coming to the surface, stop. Then add a teaspoonful of your Carib Gold. This is just going to give it all the nutrition, that extra nutrition that it requires. It's got the curcumin, the pepperin, everything. So here, once you've done that and you've blended into that beautiful smooth consistency, transfer it into your saucepan, a heavy bottom saucepan preferably, and then using a double-sided flat wooden spatula. We call it bankuta or akplachi. Yeah, there you have it. And then keep stirring. Do not stop stirring until you end up with this pliable texture. Now, you will find various fufu recipes on my YouTube channel, Indudu by Fafa, where I've gone into details on how, you can steer this to make sure it doesn't have any lump. Yes, absolutely. So now that I've got that desired consistency, so I just added a little bit of water, allowed it to steam for about 10 minutes on the lowest heat possible. And then I've got this beautiful consistency. Didn't add anything, just the potatoes and then the Carib Gold. So now this looks like plantain fufu anamepwa madalakba. And then here, oh yes, of course, it had to be goat light soup. You should know definitely that I do like my goat meat. Yes, goat shito, goat bites, goat. Yes, it had to represent. Anyway, brother, sister, chop it up food for me. Easy, bish, bash, bosh. Done. Me, I love you and thank you for helping.